Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing good. I decided to work on a journal today. Some projects that I've had kind of been gathering things together to work on, still working on some custom orders. And I'm working on this particular book today, which is really cute. But I'll be back with a video when I finish it, which will probably be a few days. But so in this, I'm kind of doing some extension of pages, and I had Doral, can't talk. One of my Aussie subbies had asked me to show her, or to show how I do the page extensions like I did in my Christmas journal. But I'm gonna show you a couple of different ways, and this it's just really easy. So I need to make pages that are, kind of this size. But so I took 8.5 by 11 cardstock and folded it over. And on some of them, I'm just leaving this smaller page because it gives you another option and different ways of journaling and adding pictures and stuff like that. But I'm going to extend this particular page out to make it a little bit bigger, to give you more room for journaling or pictures and things like that. I'm just gonna stitch down here. And I don't care that it's not lining up to the edge. To me, that kind of gives it a little bit more character. It doesn't have to be perfect. These are junk journals. So all I'm gonna do is kind of line this up where I want it to extend out. And I'm gonna put it in my sewing machine. And I'm just doing like a zigzag stitch. And I'm just gonna stitch all the way down to add that piece of paper to extend my page. I'm gonna make my sewing machine a little bit. And it's as simple as that. Okay, so that's one way, okay, just to add an extension of your page, okay? And then, but how I did on my Christmas journals, because I wanted a different look and I wanted my page to extend all the way to the edge. Like, so when I'm doing my signature, you have this full page. So if you want to extend, if you got a shorter page here, but you want to extend it out to the edge, then you just fold over a piece of paper. Hold on, let me find where I was going to show you two different ways to do this. So now on this one, I'm not necessarily going to take this all the way, okay, where it's all the way. But I'm just going to show you how you can do that. You just take a strip of your paper, and then I folded it over about 1/2 inch on each side, so you need a 3-inch strip. And then you just take this, and you just kind of get it where you want it, to eyeball it. And you do the same thing. You take your sewing machine. Wow. This is going to be a great video. Anyway, take your sewing machine. Okay, this is real. I'm not going to redo this either, so I'm just showing you. And then you just stitch this right down. And that's it. So that gives you an extension. And I think I got that a little wonky. It's not quite straight, but it's okay. It's not, it's not a big deal to me. So I hope you can see that. I hope I was in frame for all this so you could see what I was doing. But I just folded that piece of paper over. Took a 3-inch strip and folded it over and made sure it was the length of my page that I needed. And then you just fold it over and stitch. Or you can glue it. You don't have to stitch it. So anyway, that's just a little down and dirty and not so pretty video, but I hope you get the idea. Anyway, thanks. I hope everybody's having a great day. See you soon. Bye.